Starting with the square root of 37. What you're first going to do is we know we need to go to the hundredths place. So we need to add the amount of zeros for that. So you take the hundredths place is 2 in, you're going to multiply that by 2 and add 2. That is like kind of like a formula thing. Okay, so if you were going to like the 10,000s, you'd start with 4 here, multiply by 2, add 2. Okay, so 2 more than double of what you need. So we have 4 plus 2 is 6. So I'm going to add to my 37, I'm going to put a decimal point. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I'm going to point out what goes together here. So starting on the right side, I have 2, 2, 2, and 2. If that didn't come out even, I could add a 0 to the front of the number, but it did, so I'm here. Then I'm going to come over to my right side here. You're going to try to find a square root that is less than your number, your starting number, doesn't go over it. So between 36 and 49, 36 is less than 37. So I'm going to start with 6. So I'm going to put my 6 on top of that paired numbers. All right. You take whatever you put up there and you double it over here. So 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to do that. And then this kind of works like long division now. 6, you square it. 6 squared is 36, and that's the number I'm subtracting from my 37. That's why I call it kind of like long division here. So I have 0, 1. Do you really need that 0? No, but it is a double like digit that they're keeping together. So now you bring down your set of zeros. Remember, this line means they're working together the whole time. So I'm bringing down my set of zeros. Now I'm looking for a number here, and I call it like my magic number. So it's like 12 something. So my next line is going to be 12 something. And that something, I'm going to multiply by itself. You've also seen it written as 120 something plus something times that something. Either way you can write it. I like to go with this way. It's a little bit easier. So 120 something times that same something is less than or equal to whatever number you had right here. So in this case, it's 100. Okay, so I'm going to put 100. Change back to my right thing. So I'm going to think, well, the only thing that works there is 0. If I put a 1 and a 1, that'd be 121. That's not less than. So the only thing that works is 0. So in this case, 0 is my magic number. Okay, so 120 times 0 is 120. I'm sorry, 120 times 0 is 0. So I'm taking down nothing. So I still have 100. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. Bring down my next set of 0. Over here, I now have 1, 2. I got to double whatever my magic number was, but 0 double is just 0. And then I'm trying to find my next magic number. So now I have 1, 2, 0 something times that same something is less than or equal to, and this time I have 10,000. So 10,000. Okay, so I'm going to try, I don't know, 7. 1, 2, 0, 7 times 7 would be 49. 4, 4, 14. 8. Oh, I don't think that's enough, so I'm going to try 8. 1, 2, 0, 8 times 8. And I would put this in your calculator if I were you. 16. Yep, that gets us really close. So this magic number is 8. So I'm going to put my 8 there. When I did 1,208 times 8, I got 9,664. I'm going to subtract that, and I should get, if I borrow, I'll get 336. Okay, so now I had 1, 2, 0, and my 8 is what I'm going to double each time. So that gives me 16. I can't just add 16 to it because that's like adding 2 digits. So that 1 is going to go in the ones place here. Not the ones place, tens place, sorry. And my 6 stays here. And then again, I'm looking for my magic number. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 6, something. I'm going to bring down my last set of zeros. 1, 2, 1, 6, something times that same something is less than or equal to, this time I have, let me get rid of my work over here, 3, 3, 6, 0, 0. So I'd again plug in some things in my calculator. I would guess it's going to be 2. Whatever you put here also has to go here, times 2. 4, 12, 3, 4, 2. Yep, that's less than. 3 I think would be too many. 9, 8, 1, 4, 6, 3. Yep, that would be too many, so it's got to be 2. So this magic number was 2. I've run out of zeros. I have the 3 place values I need. The only thing I forgot to do is put my numbers up here. So the first magic number I got was a 0. That belongs to those zeros. The second one I got was an 8. So that's going to go next on top of the second set of zeros. And then my last magic number was a 2. So 6.082. And I'm rounding to my hundredths place. So I'm looking to the right. That 2 is going to make it stay the same. So my answer should have come out to be 6.08.